I don't know who taught me this, but one thing about me, I always start my drawing on the left side of the paper so that I'll capture out the eye first. When I capture the eye, I go down to the chin and then I go up, try to capture the neck. Then I go to the ear. Sometimes I start from the ear, go up, or I'll just start from the hair to go down, as you can see here, and then I'll capture the ear. All I'm just drawing it right now is just the outlines before starting to shade anything, because that's the way that serious work starts, right? I don't know if you would notice in almost all of my drawings there's always a mistake that I always do, but yeah, likely it's I'm just drawing with a pencil, so it's easy to get that out of the way and continue drawing. Yeah, and then I start to draw the hair. Sometimes I have difficulties with that. Then I'll start on the forehead. Whenever I'm shading, I'll start on the forehead, and then I'll go down to the left eye of the paper, right? Yes, and then try to capture the light. I use that with using my rubber, and then I would highlight. There's a thing that if your drawing is much darker, it has more life to it than if it would be only light. That's a trick that I have learned watching a lot of videos. As you can see, I made a mistake on the eye. Then I quickly fixed that. As you can see, you wouldn't notice it as time goes by, but yeah, it's just that, I don't know why I still make mistakes, but something that I know within me that okay, there must be a mistake somewhere. I don't know, but I'll find out eventually. Okay, I continue. Most difficult part for me to draw right now, I'll say it's the hair. The hair is difficult, that's why I draw it at last. The ears, I do enjoy drawing certain ears. It depends with which point of view is it. Like this one that I'm drawing right now, it's really boring for me. It doesn't have, okay, it has some challenges, but I don't see the inspiration to fight that, as I enjoy this out of a hobby. At the end of the day, it's just about enjoying myself, right? um then another second thing that's difficult to draw, obviously, for me is the mouth. I don't know why, but I have been practicing over and over again. As you can see, for me, I think that for me, the thing that I have to learn most is the mouth. If I capture the mouth thing properly, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I know that. I can see that. And then I try by all means avoid to draw outlines on the face with the pencils, so it's all mostly shading. Then yeah, mostly shading, as you can see right now.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Copycat, yeah, they're watching. I'm just dancing in my head to take to the tango. Drip, look at me, you see a waterfall. I'll just sip to and sip to, like I'm jaded. Flashing all the hoes, wild beast on the track. Nigga from the east, yeah. Chin music with the gang. They going up with each high tune. Aramaland, they know me. Nigga, please stop tripping. Don't fuck with the gang, little pussy down every time I'm connected. Oh Lord, I'm blessed. God bless on the track. Gang, we just vibing. Yo, we just go with the dance. Yeah. Ride with us, just dance with us. Ride with us, just dance with us. So can fuck all night. Yeah. Pull up with the swag, nigga move from east now. Yeah, people complex, when I pull up with the swag now. Look on flex, nigga flex from east now. I move with the gang, Gracie, look who are first now. Pull up with the swag, nigga move from east now. People complex, when I pull up with the swag now. Look on flex, nigga flex from east now. I move with the gang.